Leucanthemum vulgare. That's a big name for daisies.
How can you tell what kind of flowers they are if you can't see them? Emily Elizabeth.
No, that's a good question. Let me ask you one. Can you name the plants in my garden?
No.
Oh, but I bet you can. Close your eyes and smell each leaf.
Mint? Garlic. Lemon.
Exactly. What we smell, touch, or even hear can give us answers in plant research. As for the daisies, I'll get some soil later and test it in the lab. If the soil isn't healthy, the plants won't be either.